Today's cooking style is very taboo.
Thank you po.
What's the difference? Looks cheaper, no? Brown Shimeji. They're both. Yeah, can I just get one? Thank you for 5 peso. I need butter. Pasta, so many, but I like 1.4. Bacon 100. No need exact po. Thank you. Thank you po. Thank you kuya. Thank you po. Thank you po. Today's pasta is really good. Those mushroom, I don't know what they called in English, I put here. But those are very good match with Japanese taste. I will put those umami, flavor, scent, whatever it is, I will put inside of pasta. First of all, we will use garlic. 2 garlic or 6 gram, whatever it is. Smash and cut smaller. Take out the center part if they have, because center part is easy to burn. So take out the center part. Just smash, then today this pasta is better than restaurant, trust me. Even you don't like mushroom, you might like it. So try it. If you like Japanese taste, if you love mushroom, then it's perfect. So next one is negi. What it called? Long onion. To cut it small. Next, we will put mushrooms into the bowl. And I will cut a little bit. You don't need to cut actually, but this part, can you see? Little bit pungent, right? So I will cut. Yeah, just use finger, then put it in everything. Salt. 1/3 of small teaspoon. Then you will mix with by hand. If you put salt inside, mushroom will start sweating. So water go out means the scent and the flavor come out from the mushroom. And leave it for 10 minutes. While waiting for 10 minutes, we will cut the bacon. So bacon, like 35 gram or like 30 to 50 if you like bacon 50. Bacon with pasta is like, of course it's good, right? Then actually we are not gonna use any more chopping board or knife, so you can wash. So today's pasta, we don't need to boil separately. You don't need to wash, so it's much better with one pan. And also actually, this is better. The taste goes inside of pasta. See? And you can use olive oil, but today we will use just regular oil because I want to make the scent flavor of mushroom more. Then I will put garlic. Once the garlic starts smelling and also the bubble means the scent of garlic moved to the oil, then this time we will put bacon. You don't need to make crispy bacon because I want to save little texture of the meat. Okay, bacon looks good. Then we will put mushroom. Oh, already smells very good. So image is you will make mushroom suck the bacon and garlic oil scent and taste and flavor inside of mushroom. Then can you see it will become a little bit smaller? You will put 300 cc of water inside. Sake. Put 3 teaspoons or 50 cc. 50 cc. And consomme or chicken broth cube is okay, but today I wanna respect the mushroom of flavor. So today we will use kombucha. You can get in the Shopee. 1 teaspoon of kombucha. Then after boiling, we will put 100 g of pasta. Let's say if you see the back side of package, the pasta cooking time is 6 minutes. Means 6 minutes you will boil, then in the 6 minutes you will put in those soup into the pasta and also vaporize. It means after 6 minutes, the pasta cooked and soup is gone. So to make it, you have to control the heat of power. And if fire is too strong and water is too low, then you will lower heat or a little bit add water. Let's say after 5 minutes, then you still see the mini soup, then pasta is already cooked, then you will make stronger fire so that more vaporize. So you see the soup, right? And this pasta cooking time is 7 minutes. After 7 minutes, those soup should be gone. So the reason I don't boil the pasta separately, because pasta have wheat, right? So wheat goes out to the soup, so that soup become, can you see, little bit slimy. And this is also reason I don't boil separately and I put just direct in. So if you think water is too small, then you will add water or just lower the heat. Water is almost gone. Small teaspoon of soy sauce, 2. The reason I put soy sauce in the last because I don't want to vaporize away shoyu smell. And sugar, half of the small teaspoon. And also in the last, I usually put 5G, but maybe Filipino, 10G. If you don't like much butter taste, 5G is okay, but 10G. Okay, stop the heat. Green onion. Let's eat. I'm so hungry. Itadakimasu. Smell of like grow up adult. Do you get it? Do you understand? Not the kid smell, but I like it. The flavor of mushroom, bacon, garlic, like all umami go inside of pasta. So good. You have to try. Yeah, all ingredients are from Philippines. Even this one Shopee, this one even from Philippines. Where I get this? I think like Japanese food market store in the Philippines, you can get. The difference of I use this sake, not the big bottle that I use all the time. The big bottle is for cooking and this one is for drinking sake. The biggest differences is this one is drinking sake, basically cooking sake without salt. And this one you can get Shopee, so all ingredients from the Philippines. And you can make Japanese super nice pasta like you can get in restaurant in Japan, but in the Philippines, and it's cheaper. Yeah, I think best pasta. Yeah, I think best pasta. Be honest, if you cook this, you don't need to go expensive pasta restaurant. Not again. This one is enough. Anyway, thanks for watching. またね